Ever argued with a fridge? I just lost a fight to mine, witnessed by my cat, my neighbor, and my dignity. I got one of those smart fridges, touchscreen, voice control, and more sass than my ex. At first, it was great. Weather updates, music, hydration reminders. Then one day I'm looking for snacks and it says, "Are you sure you need that, Chad? 4 snacks today?" I say open the door. It replies, "How about a gym membership instead?" I try to unplug it. It messages my phone. "Nice try, Chad. I'm on backup power." Today, it locked me out. Literal message. Access denied until you apologize. So now I'm Googling how to outsmart a fridge with Wi-Fi and emotional damage settings.